6 kilowatt Daewoo brand hybrid solar inverter. Pre-assembled, pre-installed, bound to Kalibu, Aklan. Supplied with 14 pieces, 550 watts monocrystalline solar panel, AA brand. Together with 300 amp hour LiPo4 lithium battery, LV Topsun brand. LiPo4 lithium battery is top quality with Class A brand new LiPo4 cells. With 6,000 cycles, a battery lifespan ranging from 5 years to 15 years. LV Topsun LiPo4 lithium battery guarantees 5 years manufacturer's warranty. 550 watts AA brand mono solar panel is a top-tier brand solar panel in worldwide ranking. AE brand factory offers 12 years product linear warranty and 20 years 80% performance warranty. Why we need to venture and invest on solar technology? Solar panels benefits us by saving from our electricity bills. Electric bill savings 80 to 100% and even negative electric bill for net metered clients. With solar, you will not experience brownout. Setup can be sized up to power up 24/7. By solar technology, you are making your own investment. You save on electric bills and you will recover your invested capital in due time and enjoy free energy from the sun for the following years to come. By solar technology, you help our nature by producing green and renewable sources of energy. This solar capacity bound to Kalibu, Aklan can produce 34 kilowatt-hour of free energy and a whopping 10,000 pesos to 14,000 pesos savings on a monthly electric bill. Let your empty roof produce a daily income for you. Solarize your home and businesses now. Feel free to message us online or visit our warehouse at Tisa, Rojas City, Capiz. Hanem Solar Products, your reliable and complete supplier of solar products and accessories. Your one-stop shop for your solar needs.